I recently visited the Pacific Airshow on the Gold Coast.
Now as we get ready for takeoff, please relax and have a wonderful flight.
Time to hop in a plane and head for Brisbane. The flight takes just over 2 hours and you get a complimentary cup of tea from Boerboon. There's a glimpse of Moreton Bay. Looks like they've had a bit of rain here recently.
Welcome to Brisbane everyone. Local time is 20 minutes past 11 and it's 21 degrees outside.
About an hour's drive and you're at Surfers Paradise on the Gold Coast. The weather turned out nice and fine for the 3 days of the airshow. This is Broadbeach where the airshow is held, marked by Q1 which is over 300 metres tall.
Today our aviators will not only defy gravity and hover, but names like Paul, McDonald, Deliu, and Boerboon will forever live in your memory after their all-out aerobatic performance. Spiraling on down, here they're coming in, they'll be landing right at show center. A huge round of applause for you, a great job today, loved every moment of it. For you today, it all begins Pacific Airshow. Aaron Deliu, the 2024 Air Masters Cup Series champion. That's the ace maker. Take a look. Now what separates the men from the boys when it comes to flying a vintage jet is the number of passes that this aircraft can make in one display. As he has these 6G turnarounds in the T-33. Let's set it up. The coolest vintage military jet you've ever seen. A multidiscipline pilot with credentials not only in aerobatics, but also charter and air racing. Emma, she is just kicking butt. Matt Hall and Emma McDonald. Red Bull Air Race World Champion and former Royal Australian Airforce Top Gun fighter pilot. Matt also placed third in his World Champion racing debut back in
Very special display for you. We've got a 100 Squadron Supermarine Spitfire Mark 8 and a privately owned Mustang.
So let's talk a bit more about the Spitfire. This is a classic aircraft and an absolute favourite that people love to see, and particularly here.
It is the lead into the freedom formation. Woo! Can you count the aircraft, people? Good luck with that. Freedom Formation would like to thank Skydive Australia for supplying fuel for their training camps and to get the team here today. As Trent dives down, Trent Stewart is our lead in the Yak 55. For you, Matt, that's a half the Yak 110. But he's well known on the competition aerobatic day. Whoa! Did you see the sneaky synchro pass there? You're on a highway to hell, not highway to heaven. You know that each aircraft has its own paint scheme. That's because they're orders by different pilots. Thank you to everyone on the Gold Coast, Pacific Airshow team, for having Freedom Formation display team.
Obviously, we mentioned working to
And then when he pulls back up, we're supposed to see some kind of flip. Let's see what happens. You know what the 7 deadly sins of airshow announcing are?
It's that silence.
Pre-selling a maneuver. We'll see. But there he goes.
There he goes.
Holy smokes, look at that. That'll make the Tim Tams come back up.
Look out, go Hayden.
Oh man. Look at this. Now he's gonna start sliding it around. Hayden Pullen, though, one of the all-stars of Pacific Airshow. He's an engine designer, is what he likes to do. You can tell all of our Vietnam Airfare up there, Gold Coast.
X-wing maneuver. I've never seen this before.
Check this out. How low are they going to go, Gold Coast? Come on, make some noise for the Leapfrogs. Let's bring them in style. Our first two Navy SEALs arriving in here.
I'm a little biased, but I think this is the best aircraft out there.
Look at that speed, though. Go
Look at them go, and you can see the tail art that we have on. Now they're going to move to their right, your left, by simply putting in a simple control input to the right.
Bend on over and take a bow out there on the beach. Watch what happens. They will wave back Osprey style. There you go, the kid down there's going.
Transition away from the crowd. Now on takeoff, the pilot moves the TCL from forward, increasing power and rotating the nacelles forward towards 75 degrees. They'll maintain this 75 degrees up in nacelle position until passing through 40 knots.
All right, now it looks really slow to me. You assure that that's 130 knots, huh?
Yep.
Man, it looks so slow, but it's like a zip code up there.
We're really lightly on the
Look at that, giving us a wave. Get our wave back there. Your friends in the United States down there at the Boeing. Australia, the KC-135, and a boom down pass. Take a look. The right, the F-22 Raptors, Gold Coast. Take a look at this.
How do you do that?
And somehow they're going to make their way right here in front of us.
Oh, yes. Oh,
okay.
Yes. Go into a heart formation.
Look at that, Goldie. Holy smokes, what is this called?
This is called the carousel. Also up there further to the left, we have 3 camping Australian flags. He'll be followed by Sergeant Owen Collins. Then we have Sergeant Sean McKay and Sergeant Andy Lynch. Followed by Sergeant Mike Atkinson, Sergeant Marcus Shields, Sergeant Greg Appleby, Sergeant Joseph Finch, 2 Union Jack Jumpers, Sergeant James Coleman Buffett, and the second one coming down is the Officer Commander of the RAAF Falcons, Lieutenant Billy Nicholas. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big round of applause.
Oh, there you go. Looks like he's done that before. I hope he pulls up. Oh my goodness, let's get old Matt Hall up here to speed, ladies and gentlemen. shock. It's just going to come zooming in over your heads, and you will hear it and you will feel it.
Top Gun.
Check out the decibel meter for this F-35A Lightning the next day from my balcony. This set off a few car alarms, I can say. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed those highlights from the Pacific Airshow on the Gold Coast 2024. Bye for now.